everybody. Today I am doing a really special unboxing. And yes, that was 3 reelies and it was well deserved. These are the snakes that I've collected well over the years since I was 12. And I am so excited to be getting them back. I had to move out of my house when I was 18 and I really had nowhere to put my snakes. So it was either sell them or try to find someone who would take care of them. So I put up a contract with a friend of mine and he's been taking care of them and keeping the babies for the last 2 years, and I'm getting them back today. They should be here within the next hour. Oh, FedEx is stressful. They were delayed a day, so they've been in shipping for about a day and a half now. So I'm a little stressed, but I'm really excited. So I hope everybody's okay. Everybody should be. There's a heat pack in there. It wasn't too cold. So I will see you when I get my snakes back. This is so exciting. All right, everybody. So here is the package, and I am so nervous and excited all at the same time. These guys have been in this box for a while, and it was a little chilly, but we'll see. I'm so stoked to see them again. It's been forever. This is such a good feeling. Can't wait to see how they're doing. This is the biggest unboxing I think I've ever done. No, this is certainly the biggest unboxing I've ever done. All right. Here we go. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh, it's good to see you all again. All right, let's just get going. All right, start with some females. Here is beautiful little Dodoma. She's not little anymore. She's pretty chilly. Hope everybody's okay. Get her in her tub. Take some pictures in a little bit. Awesome. Ooh, this is a good snake here. This is my female Paradox albino. Oh, what a pretty snake. It's pretty chilly. Hope she's okay. Looks like she's getting ready to shed too. Her color is a little lackluster at the moment. Oh yeah, she's definitely going into shed. Well, when she sheds out, I'll take some pictures. Exciting. A little chilly. Sucks. Wish they were warmer. They got some nice warm tubs. This is another female Paradox albino, also in shed. So a little less awesome to see. Oh, here is a little low expression Paradox albino female. Also seems to be going into shed. Everybody seems to be going into shed. Alright, here's another really light Paradox albino. She got some good size on her. She's looking good. She doesn't seem to be in shed. This is her usual expression. It's kind of funny. She has a couple orange spots on her side, but other than that, she looks almost like a snow. Pretty cool. This beauty. I raised her up from a little worm. Awesome to have her back. Get her warmed up. Awesome. This is so cool. I haven't seen these snakes in so long. Here is a gift that was given to me. A female anery. He's grateful for the opportunity. He got to have all the babies from these litters that he had over the last couple of years. And as a gift, he wanted to give me her, which is exciting. She should be ready to breed this coming season. That'll be fun. My male paint is Past Het anery, so that should be cool to see. Alright, ooh, here's another pretty female. Little thin. He told me this one recently laid a litter less than a month ago. Or less than 2 months ago. I think he said it was in September. Anyway, she's beautiful. She's just a normal female that's het for anery. Go get her warmed up. Yeah, everybody's pretty chilly. It's no fun to see. No fun at all. Get them all warm in their tub though. Male, 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 male. Okie dokie. I guess this is the last female. Okay, so this is just another normal female. Here is my male anery. Don't really breed him, he's more of a pet. He's actually the very first sand boa I ever had. I seem to be missing 2 females. It's a little disconcerting. I'll have to message the guy. Anyway, here's another male. Also in shed. What the hell? Paradox Snow. Pretty snake. Paradox. Or I mean, a peppered stripe produced by Mark Bell? Yes. Pretty cool to have him. Back in there. And this looks like the last one, which is weird. I seem to be missing 2 animals. I'll have to get on the phone with him about that. Anyway, this is my last one here. And he is a little Paradox albino male. He's not little anymore. He's got some nice and beefy. Alright everybody, so I'll cut to some nice pictures after they get shed out. And I appreciate you watching. And then I'll go to my outro, you know. Thanks. Alright everybody, thank you so much for tuning into today's vlog. I had so much fun. It was such a blast getting to see my snakes again for the first time. A little overwhelming, extremely stressful with that FedEx delay. I mean, I really wish there were other alternatives to FedEx, but there's not. So I gotta live with it. And everybody is fine, which is just more than I could have asked for with like a 48-hour delivery. Everybody is packed nicely away in my racks. And I am going to be doing an update video after I finish uploading some other unboxing videos, because some of the snakes in these racks here were not done in this unboxing. So I will get around to doing that update video sometime in the next month or two, because I do have at least 3 or 4 other unboxings to work on uploading. So at that, thank you so much for tuning in. I love y'all. Make sure you have a wonderful rest of your day and follow whatever excitement ignites the passion you have in your soul, because it'll take you where you need to be. I promise. Love you all. Thank you. Bye.